Okay, guys, hello. I hope you are good, you are fine. So today we are going to learn two languages in the same time. Two languages in the same time. For those who speak Portuguese, today are going to learn English. And for those who speak English are going to learn Portuguese. If you speak English, you go to learn Portuguese. If you speak Portuguese, you're going to learn English. A lesson for two different, language speaker. Okay, so today we are going to learn from very beginner. The personal pronouns in English and in Portuguese. And then guys, this is a double lesson. English-Portuguese lessons, okay? We start like that. So we have personal pronouns, okay? Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Okay, alright. We have 8 personal pronouns. Okay, here we have English. And here we have Portuguese. Pay attention. I want you to pay attention. You as a very beginner. So we have 8 personal pronouns. So we have singular, and we have plural. Abbreviation, right? Alright. We have the first personal pronouns is I. So in Portuguese we write eu. So I in Portuguese eu. You in Portuguese tu. And we have he, she, it. So he, she, and it. He is English. In Portuguese he is ela. So you as English speaker, you have to understand that he in your language, in another language is ela, and she, ela, it, isto, and then at least we know English and Portuguese. If I say I in English, in Portuguese I say eu. If I say you in Portuguese, in English, in Portuguese we say tu. If we say he in English, in Português ele. If we say she, in Português nós falamos ela. It in Português isto. Then we have I, eu. You, tu. He, ele. She, ela. Este, isto. Very simple, okay? And pay attention. So, in plural, we have we, okay? Nós. We have you, vós, and we have they. They, this conjunction. And. In Portuguese, and is E. Very simple. And then, let's speak quick. Let's speak quick. Let's sing a little bit, okay, to memorize easily the pronunciation of the personal pronouns in English and in Portuguese. Okay, let's go. I, eu, you, tu, he, el, she, ela, it, it. Repeat, singular. I, eu, you, tu, he, ele, she, ela, it, it. Very simple. And then, if you speak English, you understand that Portuguese, the personal pronouns in Portuguese is eu. And then, we're gonna make some exercises like that. I and you and I and you and I. And then, you as an English speaker, you understand when I say I and you and I and you and I and you. What does it mean, I and you and I? In Portuguese, I is eu, you is tu. In Portuguese, em português vai ser eu e tu e eu e tu e eu. Look, very attentive. I and you, eu e tu, you and I, tu e eu. Okay, we write like that. I and you and troca. Okay, troca. You and I. Very simple, okay? Very simple. Okay. And then you as English speaker are learning Portuguese personal pronouns, and you as Portuguese speaker are learning English personal pronouns. This is one of the first lessons, uma das primeiras aulas, okay, for the beginners, okay? I and you and I and you and I. Okay, you as Portuguese speaker, you understand that I in Portuguese is eu. Look, I. Okay. Very simple. I. It's very simple like that. Okay. I. And then I speak I, you. You, I. It's here. Eu e tu e eu. Or tu e eu e tu. I and you and I. Let's sing a little bit. I and you and I. In Portuguese, eu e tu e eu. 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 In English, I and you and I and you and I. I and you and I. Okay? In Portuguese, repeat. Eu e tu e eu. Okay. Then let's read it so as to finish our lesson. English, I. Portuguese, eu. English, you. Portuguese, tu. English, he. Portuguese, ela. English, she. Portuguese, ela. English, it. Portuguese, isto. Singular, plural, we. English, we. Portuguese, nós. English, you. Portuguese, vós. English, they.